Hey everyone, I'm Ariel and today I'm excited to share with you how to use one of my all-time favorite products, the Rain-X Pro 3-in-1 Bug Tar and Adhesive Remover. Trust me, it's a game changer for your car care routine. I'm going to show you how to remove stubborn stuck-on substances from your vehicle, so stick around and like those bugs we're about to get rid of. First things first, let's tackle those bugs and grime. Here's what I do. Spray the product directly onto the contaminated area. Give the cleaner a minute to do its thing. It needs a bit of time to penetrate, especially if you got a lot of debris or some really tough baked-on stuff. For those, let it soak a bit longer. Now, take a clean microfiber towel and wipe the surface. And it's not just for bugs. This product is amazing for tar removal too. Check out how it cleans up these splatters from the wheels and sides of the car. Ever try to peel off an old sticker and got left with that annoying sticky residue? Well, Rain-X Pro is your solution. It'll take care of that mess in no time. What's great about this all-in-one cleaner and adhesive remover is that it works on many contaminants, and it's safe on a variety of surfaces, such as glass, plastic, paint, metal, and chrome. Just a heads up, steer clear of using it on rubber or weather stripping. Remember, the beauty is in the detail when it comes to car care. If you enjoy this and want more tips, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @officialrainx. Thanks for watching, and here's to keeping your vehicle looking spotless.